Yes, by the way. Oh, yeah.
No, that's what you do, isn't it?
No.
Yeah, you do.
No,
You go, we're going to chop that.
It's better be natural. I'm just going to let you know, today's garage is sponsored by KY Gel.
Whoa! Not much room for error in there.
So now you're just going to do a refresh to show that people how cheap you can do it, just to make it look a half decent looking car. And then it keeps it on a budget for people that can't really afford to do too much, like a full strip down. They just want to go out and have a bit of fun.
And that's the intro video.
There you go. We've decided we're going to do this car on a budget now, tighten it up, make it look good, see if we can make it work with the bare minimum of money. To be fair, we ain't actually spoke to the camera.
You don't need to talk to the camera, you're talking into your microphone, ain't you?
Yeah, but you talk to the camera.
No.
You don't just talk to each other. You got to talk.
Take a job on and go, yes, by the way. Oh, yeah.
No, that's what you do, isn't it?
No.
Yeah, you do.
No,
you go, we're going to chop
It's better
that.
be natural. See what I mean?
Fuck you.
Natural. You cunt. Oh, that wheelie hurt.
Oh, that would.
Cunt.
Right, let's chop that.
It's not just a matter of chopping. Right. I think what you want to do.
I do just want to point out there is a slight humming noise, but that does stop after a couple minutes of the video, so just grin and bear it, please, people.
Up against that bracket, and then we'll cut the bracket accordingly. At least this way we can see how far down this is going to go, because you've got to allow for this bow. Take it off and cut it and weld it.
Fanny.
Fucking hell, you want it doing properly.
It'll get done properly whether it's on or off the car.
It'll get done properly off the car.
Right,
it's 2 bolts.
Shut up, get a 13.
You just had the 13.
Yeah, we'll get one.
I was just going to let you know, today's garage is sponsored by KY Gel. Oh, it's only one fucking nut. 2 of us can't do 1 nut, can we?
Where is it? It's down my leg. Is it gone down? Where is it? Did it go down?
No.
Shit, that's all them one. Huh?
Gotcha, bitch!
You can carry on smoking it, but it's just buy my crack.
Tastes like shite.
Fuck off. No, just fuck off over there. Go over there.
Up there.
Oh, you cut it.
I'll cut it.
Because it's on camera.
No, because you're a fucking cockeyed
Go on then.
cunt.
So what we're doing here is we're chopping the steering column, because the steering wheel has always been so close to my chest and I don't like it. It's uncomfortable to drive. So we're chopping it, making it smaller, making it more comfy for my sort of driving.
Yep.
Ready? Whoa!
What? Happy birthday to me.
Yeah.
What? Hey!
I should have done it a lot more, but I didn't know how it was going to go. No matter how straight I do this, it still won't be straight to him. Not much room for error in there.
Just take your time with that.
No, I need more. Yeah, that'll do. Oh, she's got a kick to her. Oh, fuck's sake. This is horrible, I know. I know my leg's going to get chopped. anytime you chop a metal and you have exposed fresh metal, you always need to give it a lick of paint, stop it corroding and rusting. Oh, that's fucking miles better.
You happy with that?
King in the castle, king in the castle.
Feels like a complete different colour.
Literally watching fucking paint dry. Don't even fucking think about it. I'm telling you now.
What?
Because you'll come back and your car will be fucking pink or green or something like that. Because I'll fucking get it to the paint and fucking...
Should I get you it?
No, you're not fucking... Put it out there.
Should I get you it?
No. I'm telling you. Again, I wouldn't.
Got it, isn't it?
No. Put it out there. Telling you, you'll come back, you'll have a fucking, you'll have a Honda Melody engine in your car or something like that.
Where is it?
Trey,
You can do that.
Fucking spray you with it, that's what I'm going to do.
It'll come off.
Not if I do your face.
I can't put that in there, can
Pack it in. Oh,
you? Yeah. Yeah, go on. Did that bolt come out?
hey,
Did the bolt come out?
no.
You dick.
Fuck's sake.
What?
What, are you going to make it disappear with your spotty handkerchief or something like that? Is it a magic trick? Fuck's sake.
Yeah, we'll just clear it out of the way, won't it?
Right, so what about when you go to paint the bottom of that panel?
It's alright,
What do you mean it's alright?
because you can get in there. And you just lift that up.
Oh, fantastic.
It looks a lot better.
Oh, until you move them close when you got a patch.
What? You ain't got a patch.
No.
Go on, say it again.
No.
So what you just done there?
Fell over.
Try and get back up.
But you can see the difference. Because you put the thick paint on with the brush underneath and then went over it with the aerosol, you've got the shine back again. So you do the same with your bars. Let's paint. What colour are you going to do then?
Black. That is aerosol.
Yeah.
So why would I spray them a different colour?
Just to break it up.
What, silver? Silver bumpers and fucking side rails that leave all the bars black.
Yeah. It's just to break it up,
I think
that's
that'll
all.
look I can't say that.
Let's spray it white.
Imagine shaking yourself. Yeah, I know that. Look at that. If you heat it up properly, all of that would have come off with it. What? You just wanted me to do this? No, it's not working. You thought, oh Jesus.
I take the sticker off.
I already had the sticker off.
I said if we heated it up properly.
Yeah, well, you fucked off with a heat gun, didn't you?
I said he finished with
What? You just got to work it.
Let's refresh your car on a budget. It's going to cost you about £100 just for brake cleaner to get stickers off. Oh,
Lucky we ain't got many stickers, eh? Like it within a day.
You shoot yourself up.
Thought you were on your way to do something. So all we're doing here is just going over all the other bits that might have a bit of rust or anything like that on. We're just giving them a fresh bit of paint with a spray can, and it still gives a good shine. Or I'll get a new one.
We'll repair it. You try to show people how to do things on a budget.
Oh,
Why fork
that
out
repair that you done last time is shit.
We didn't repair it.
You did, you put that L bracket on it.
Yeah, because you just wanted something quick.
Yeah, what are you going to do? If you had it your way, you'd have fucking 5mm plate all over it, reinforced, fucking spikes off it and stuff.
People would stay away from you.
Yeah. I need another piss.
Oh, for fuck's sake. May as well turn it off.
Why? See what you get up to. You're like a dog, do you know, and you leave the food in front of them and then you go away and see if they've been good when you come back.
Fucking garden again. Fucking garden, we're going to stink like a fucking urinal. Can't wait to go down his house. Take a shite on the patio.
Good boy.
Where's my treat? I mean, what you've got to look at is you work out how much you've spent on paint in bits and pieces.
All of them cans and that thing for Mum was 16 quid. So 14 quid.
And how many cans you get? 7.
7.
B&M, 7 cans, 14 quid. And you want Turner and Grey.
Well, you can have
Gloss.
whatever colour you want.
No, that's the name of the company, Turner and
Yeah,
Grey.
that's what we're using.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, that's
But
the
I'm saying
cheapest one.
they can have whatever they want.
Yeah, but that's the cheapest one out of B&M.
Is it though?
It is.
Is it?
It is.
Is it?
I've been on my comparison websites.
That watchdog.
Yeah. Watchdog.
that is all we have time for today's episode, ladies and gentlemen. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to stay notified for when the next videos come out. Hit a like, leave a comment if you want. If you are out there and you're doing your own little restoration job on the cars, or if you're just trying to tighten them up or whatnot, leave a message, let me know if you're out there and I'm not the only one doing it. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it, and we're back after a long awaited return, so stay tuned, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you next week.